Hi, I'm Marco, and this year at Pawsey, I led a number of online tutorials around containers in HPC, and today I'd like to share with you some thoughts around the design and preparation of materials for these trainings. So what I found out to be very effective was to assume and focus, in my mind, on an assumed imaginary audience of self-paced students. Because in this way, you are forced to lay down and write in a single block of materials both the concepts and the exercises and examples in a way that should be self-explanatory. And I did this by using the software carpentry template style of web page tutorials. And in this way, I ended up with a bulk of materials that can be used in a variety of ways and reused. So this can be effective for the trainers to get ready for the delivery, because these pages contain all they need to know to effectively present the content to the students. This is useful for the students after the session if they want to go back to what they just saw and attended and just brush up themselves. This is good for offline audiences that might be around the globe and just want to learn something more about the specific topic. And again, remember, this type of material is just self-explanatory. But this is also very powerful in delivering training online. So in that case, I didn't really use the materials in that raw form, but it was really a simple process to turn these carpentry style self-paced materials into one suitable for online delivery. Basically, all I had to do was pick up the concepts bits and turn them into slides, and then pick up the exercises bits and practice on them and use them to get ready myself for some live coding sessions. So the final result was online sessions with a nice, natural, and hopefully easy to follow alternation of presentation of concepts using the slides that came out of the contents paragraphs, and live coding bits where the concepts are actualized in real examples. And this to me is a great demonstration of the reusability of materials that are designed with a self-paced audience in mind.